What kind of website does my business need? This is a question I get asked a lot when new entrepreneurs and business owners give me a call saying, I need a website, but I have no idea what kind of website I need. Unfortunately, the answer is not as simple as one would expect. Websites can be categorized in different ways. The three more common ways is defining their functionality, the content that goes in the website, or the design. So in today's Business Edge AMPLiFY Marketing for small businesses, I'm going to focus on functionality, which helps answer the question, what type of website does your business need in order to get going? The design and the content can be defined once you know what kind of functionality you need in your website. Now, the way to help determine what kind of website your business needs is to answer some preliminary questions. These types of questions are, what are your business goals? What's the income model of your business? How are you making money with it? What purpose do you have in mind for the website itself? Meaning, what do you want people to do once they get there? What functionality does it need to provide for those people who go to your website? So once you're clear on your business positioning and your income model, then it's easier to determine what kind of website your business needs in order to support that. It's important to realize and remember that a business website is the central marketing platform that's devoted to representing your business. It should be branded like your business, using the same logo, colors, fonts, imagery, and brand positioning as any of your other marketing materials. And it should also communicate effectively the types of products or services that your business provides. Today, every business out there should have a website. It's a widespread expectation that those who are interested in learning more about your product or services are going to automatically go to Google, do a web search, and expect to find a web presence. And of course, you want to make sure that that web presence represents your brand and your business appropriately. Because if they don't, if they're not finding a website, or if it's being misrepresented by being old or cheap looking or amateurish looking, then you're going to be giving them the wrong impression about your business. You're not going to look professional or even legitimate in their eyes. Now, there's a wide variety of different functionality types of websites out there, but I'm going to explain 5 of the most popular, most typical websites that one would find when they're starting a new business. A brochure website is the simplest of the websites in terms of functionality. Brochure websites typically have just a few pages involved in them and are often used for entrepreneurs, solo entrepreneurs, or small businesses who need a simple online presence. For example, a small plumbing company, or perhaps a restoration company, or a legal firm would only need a brochure type of a website with simple pages such as your home page, an About Us page, the services page, and a contact us page. Now, it can be built up from there by including a blog, which is very important, perhaps an FAQ page, a newsletter, or other features that would help a potential client coming to your website that would give them a better understanding of your product or service offerings and why should they do business with you, and of course how to get a hold of you. Then there's the e-commerce type of functionality website. And of course, an e-commerce website is one that allows customers to make a direct purchase off of your website for either a product or service. Now, there are some specific steps that you need to keep in mind if you want to have an e-commerce website, such as investing in e-commerce software or a platform that will facilitate the purchase process. Then you need a merchant account in order to facilitate the payment process, and you want to make sure that you have a secure website with an SSL certificate so that all of your customer data is kept safe. And of course, you'll still need to make sure that your e-commerce website is branded appropriately using the right type of content and marketing message that will compel your visitors to actually convert into purchasers. The third type of website is a membership website that offers something of value once somebody signs up to become a member. For instance, our AMPLiFY Business Academy is a membership type of a website where once somebody signs up to become a member, they have access to a whole library full of training videos on online marketing and social media. Our membership site also provides new monthly training videos as well as live training Q&A sessions as well as a private discussion area. So whether there's a fee or not involved in your membership website, it is meant to build community and give members a reason to participate with other members who have a common interest. The fourth type of website is a blog website, and this one often gets confused by a regular website because of the WordPress platform. WordPress originally was created to be a blogging platform, but over the years has expanded into being an actual CRM system to build websites with. But a blog type of a functionality website for a business is more meant for those who are in the influencer industry. It is typically just made up of only blog posts where the main source of income is generated from those blog posts, either as affiliate income, where if somebody clicks the link and makes a purchase to something that was recommended, then the blog owner gets a commission based on that sale. There's other avenues of income for bloggers, such as banner ads, sponsorship, and even recommendations, where the influencer receives a kickback if they have done a recommendation or a feature of a certain product or service on the website. And then number 5 is a portfolio type of a website. Service providers such as photographers or designers or artists will often use a portfolio type of website to showcase their work by sharing their best samples in hopes that they will appeal to the people coming to their website and commission work for them. Now, those are the 5 top kinds of websites that a typical small business or entrepreneur would be looking at if they were starting a new business. There are other types of websites, of course, such as portal sites for internal purposes or wiki or community types of websites. There's educational ones, there's nonprofit ones, and there's even media and entertainment types of websites. And of course, even social media, technically, Facebook is a website. So those kinds of websites are more on your corporate end, more higher investments, but for a small business, those first 5 that I showcased are probably all that you're looking for. So if you are thinking of starting a business or your existing website isn't quite working in that it's not portraying you in a way that it should be, then give us a call and I'll help you determine what kind of website is best for you that will showcase you in a way that positions you as a professional in this crowded marketplace. So that's it for today's Business Edge. I wish you all the success in the world, and if you have any questions at all about websites or branding or social media, please leave a message in the comment section below and I'd be happy to answer. And if you could do me a huge favor, I would so appreciate it if you gave me a like on this video and shared it with your followers. If you know of somebody who would benefit from this type of information, hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.